To get a new debit card from Chase, you can follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your account information and identification ready. If your debit card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to order a replacement card. You can order a replacement card by signing in to your Chase online account or through the Chase mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account that is associated with the debit card you want to replace. Look for the debit card section and select the option to replace your card. If you are unable to access your online account, you can also call the Chase customer service number on the back of your card or visit a Chase Bank branch in person. When speaking with a representative, provide your account information and explain that you need a replacement debit card. They will guide you through the process and provide you with an expected delivery date for your new card. When ordering a replacement card, you can choose to have it expedited for an additional fee if you need it quickly. Once your new card is mailed, be sure to activate it by following the instructions provided with the card or by calling the phone number on the sticker attached to the card. To avoid any issues with your new debit card, make sure to update any recurring payments or automatic transfers with your new card information. This will prevent any disruptions to your regular transactions. Additionally, be sure to destroy your old debit card to prevent unauthorized use. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity closely after receiving your new debit card, to ensure there are no suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can easily get a new debit card from Chase and continue to manage your finances without interruption.